Hey, hey! Tonight's dinner is a quick and easy Salmon Wellington. I recommend removing the skin from the salmon so that your pastry is easy to cut and chew once it's baked. Let's get started. Roll out your puff pastry and cut it to the desired size that you need. Place the baking pan that you'll be using in the air fryer on bake or in the oven to heat up. This helps prevent the puff pastry from staying soggy on the bottom. Place your salmon in the middle of the pastry. You're going to season it with pink Himalayan salt, black pepper, and garlic powder. Now grab a mixing bowl and your spinach. Chop the spinach up into small pieces and add it to the bowl. Then add the cream cheese and the shredded mozzarella cheese and mix it all up and set it to the side. In a separate bowl, whisk 1 egg and set it to the side. This is going to be your egg wash. Move the salmon to the side for a moment. Then spread the cream cheese mixture in the middle of the pastry. Then place the salmon back on top. You're going to brush the egg wash around the edges of the pastry. Be careful. You want to make sure to fold it over the salmon to encase it completely. Make sure to press and seal the edges firmly. You don't want any of the filling to ooze out during cooking. Now you're going to flip it over. Take a knife and make a few slits on the top to allow steam to escape during cooking so the pastry doesn't get soggy on the bottom. Now brush the egg wash on the entire top of the pastry. This is going to help it to get nice and golden brown. Then sprinkle on some garlic powder. Now place it on a piece of parchment paper. Then place it into the heated baking pan and pop it in the air fryer on bake mode or in the oven for 25 to 30 minutes. It should be golden brown on top when it's done. Make a lemon butter spread to go on top of the pastry by taking some softened butter and mixing it with lemon juice. You're going to spread that over the top of the pastry, and then you're going to sprinkle on some dried dill. It is now ready to serve. Hope you enjoy.